Hey everyone, I'm Dani from Dani Compare, and today we're diving into a side-by-side breakdown of two credit cards built for people working under credit, the Mission Lane Visa and the Indigo Platinum MasterCard. If you're trying to build or rebuild credit and you're not sure which one fits your situation, stick around. This one's for you. Let's start with Mission Lane. This card is designed for people who are just starting out or trying to recover from past credit challenges. There's no security deposit, no hidden fees, and if you keep up with your payments, you could be eligible for a credit line increase in as little as 6 months. That's a great path forward if you're focused on improving your credit profile steadily. Now let's take a look at the Indigo Platinum MasterCard. This one is also unsecured, and it's meant for people with poor or limited credit. You can pre-qualify with no impact on your credit score, and it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. It's a solid option if you want something simple and accessible, even if your credit isn't in the best shape yet. So who are these really for? Mission Lane is best for folks who want a transparent experience with a modern mobile app and a clear upgrade path. Indigo is a good match for people who just need to get approved without putting money down and want to start rebuilding their score. Here's how the two cards compare at a glance. Both offer unsecured credit access, and both report to all 3 bureaus. Mission Lane offers a credit limit that can grow, starting around $300 and going up past $1,000. Indigo, on the other hand, has a fixed $300 limit. Mission Lane has an annual fee that ranges from $0 to $59, while Indigo's fee can go up to $99 depending on your credit profile. They both offer soft pull pre-qualification and charge foreign transaction and late fees. But Mission Lane wins on mobile app experience and upgrade potential. So here's my final take. Go with the Mission Lane Visa if you're looking for a smoother digital experience, fairer terms, and a chance to raise your credit limit. Choose Indigo Platinum if your priority is just getting approved without a deposit, even if that means fewer features. That's it for today's card comparison. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Dani Compare, and let me know in the comments which card you're leaning toward, or if you've used one before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.